What's going on, you guys? Today I took two trades today, lost $11,000, but it's all good. It's a Monday. We not, these Mondays, bro, they've been getting to me. I've been losing a lot on Mondays. It hasn't been good, but um, anyways, let me just break this down and go over the recap of what I took. Took two trades today. I took a third one, but I didn't even mark it out because I basically got out right away. But three trades today in total, and I lost one and won one, but the loss I took was devastating and it hurt me a lot. I lost $11,000. So let me break it down. My first trade was today at like 8:40. I entered right here. We had a sweep above. We were in a discounted price, so as we are going down, we inversed the fair value gap. And a lot of my bias was honestly, I knew we were gonna pump up today. We have been for the past couple weeks. We've just been pumping up off open pretty much. Um, We had war news though, with all the stuff going on with Iran and stuff. I definitely thought we were gonna shoot down after we pumped up. So that's how I was kind of targeting. We had targets below as well. There was a sweep above. We inversed the fair value gap, which is what I use to enter off all my trades. And there was also an order block above. So I definitely thought we were gonna, go low. My break even would have been right here at 780. My first TP would have probably been down here at 726 would have been my first TP. And then I probably would have had second TP at like 680 or even the blow of this wick down here. I was going big today for the short, and we did not get it as it played out like this. Straight hit my stop loss, and I lost bad on that. I was trading across a lot of accounts. I entered with one contract today, one mini, and yeah, that was a bad loss. But anyways, the rest of the price played out like this. I mean, it wasn't bad price action. I wouldn't say today's bad price action. I kind of got unlucky with how price was playing. But anyways, we come over here. Oh, well, anyways, I took this short up here actually. So this is the short I took at like 10:20. So it was about an hour ago now. Let me show you guys how this played out. So I entered up here like 950. Okay, there was a sweep above right up here. Mark that out. Order block above. We inversed the fair value gap going on the downside. We're in a discounted price action. And yeah, so those targets are below. Actually, I meant to say targets below. Okay. So I want to come tap into this. Break even would have been at like 920. Yeah, so right here we entered at 950. This was entry right here. I don't know why I drew like that. Um, enter like right here. That was my entry. Let me just mark that out. So I entered there at like 950. Like I said, targets below. We tapped in the order block. There was a sweep above, and we are in a discounted price action. And then I enter when we inverse that fair value gap towards the downside. So here's how that played out. This played out very smooth. We came and hit. I went break even here at like 920, 918. We dropped all the way down. And this played out within 10 minutes. I'll say this trade. This trade played out within 5 to 10 minutes, pretty quick. But anyways, TP1 was right here at 893, and then TP2 was down here at 877. We just smacked it. It was a quick trade. I made like 600 bucks back on a couple of my accounts, but still lost $11,000 today in total. It's not a good day. But then anyways, we came in, we longed right back up. Like, look at this. I really wish I would have caught this. But yeah, and this is still right now. Actually, we're still going higher, which is kind of crazy. I had this marked out actually. I think we're gonna come up here and tap this. If you look on the 5 minute, that was Friday's high of New York. So I think we're gonna come up there and tap into that. But yeah, guys, $11,000 today. I blew two lucid accounts. It was not a good day at all. But the number one thing, you have to just try to stay positive about these and just keep on moving. And I was about to overtrade today and probably fuck up a lot of shit, but I kind of chilled out, stayed back, laid back, and yeah. So overall, it was an L for me on a Monday, but we'll bounce back tomorrow. We'll make the money rest of the week, and I am leaving to go to Florida in 7 days. So I'm looking forward to that. Hopefully, we can catch a little payout before then. But anyway, guys, I am off. I'm gonna go hit the gym, enjoy the rest of my day, and forget about the charts. Forget about the charts. Fuck these charts. You're on them for a small portion of the day, and then go catch wins throughout the day, guys. Stop getting so attached to this shit. I took a loss today. Sure, I lost money. But like I said, a lot of you guys are trading on these funded accounts and you're acting like it's your real capital. No, you're learning off this shit. Yes, you're spending money to use these funded accounts and make more money. But bro, stop getting so attached to it and feeling emotional about it. And that's all I could really say, guys. Wake up, catch a win in the morning, get off the charts. If I caught a win today and I was up, I wouldn't even have took that other trade. Um, I'm looking for small wins. I'm looking for big wins all the time as well. But just stop taking 10 to 15 trades a day, and you'll probably see yourself in a way better mindset, mental clarity, all that. Go hit the gym, go eat clean food, and yeah, guys, just stop worrying about these charts so much. I mean, it can make you money. It will lose you a lot of money. Just don't get too attached to it. If you treat it like a what's a good analogy to this? I don't know. If you treat these charts like your ex and you always go back to it and just want more and more and more, it will probably fuck you up mentally in the long run, and you will not benefit anything out of it. Just move on from the charts after you hit it, and then get off and go to something for your day, guys. But yeah, all links in bio, Discord in bio. I'll see you guys later.